gotta be right here. It's the best view. Why are you?
I wouldn't. Just wait. We have a whole minute left. I'm right here, but I gotta be back enough to get your face. I haven't started yet. Here we sit in anticipation of the Siren, the Proctor golf course, one of the loudest sirens Logan has ever heard. He's excited and terrified all at the same time. He's supposed to go off at 9:45 p.m. We are not sure of the accuracy of the time. However, as you can see, Logan is quite nervous about this as he clutches my arm. Oh, he's moved to clutch my hand in fear. Yet nothing is happening. Not a thing. No sound. No siren. Could be a dud. Might be a dud. Does not appear that it will go. However, my hand is getting less and less circulation as he nudges closer to me. Are you sure it's gonna go?
Also, guys, when it shut down, I felt the ground shake. Just so you know.
Logan, how are you feeling about this extreme experience?
Well, before it started, my heart was racing very fast. It was like pounding because this is the closest I've ever been to a tornado siren.
Right there.
Right there's the inactive one.
Right there. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna take you.
It takes a long time for it to shut off. Woo!
Okay, it didn't work. Never mind.
Oh, wait. Can I wait until it stops? It takes a long time.
Unless it keeps going for an hour.
Did you feel the ground shake a little?
Yeah, I did.
Whoa! After that, I think when it shut down, the ground shook. When it was sounding down. Now it feels like it's